Welcome! As you already know, soon it will be Valentine's Day, and we've prepared a craft that you will love for sure. Today we make a photo frame with a Gato rainbow and a Gata moon. For this activity we're going to need 4 popsicle sticks, we're going to use these white ones, a piece of cardboard, a hot glue gun, scissors, paper in the colors that you like, a ruler, a pencil, and a toothpick. Let's get started. First we're going to make the shape of our frame. So we're going to glue the 4 sticks like this, using a little bit of silicone. Like this. And now we've got a piece of cardboard to cover the back of the frame. And we're going to glue it by simply putting silicone on the top and the bottom part. This way later we will be able to put the picture through the side. See? And now on a piece of paper of the color that you want, we're going to make marks of 1/2 inch. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. When we have already done this mark on top and bottom, we're going to join the lines. And we're going to do the same on another paper of a different color. We cut it out, and we will have all these strips of paper. And now we have to roll it up. So to make it a little bit easier, we start to roll it on the toothpick, and then we can do it without it. See? It looks so pretty! To go faster, you can roll a few pieces of paper at once. And then simply remove the toothpick, separate them, and keep rolling them up. If you do this activity with children, it's a great way to work on their fine motor skills. If you make the frame a little smaller, you will need less paper, but I needed a lot. So when I had them, I started gluing them to the frame. Look, I put a little bit of silicone and then put them like this. We hold it for a few seconds to keep it in place and continue. What do you think of the effect? It looks really cool, doesn't it? And with the colors I've chosen, they look like flowers. It looks very nice. When we have it, we'll see that there's some spaces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unroll a little bit of paper that I had already made, and I'm going to cut it and roll them up again, so it's a little easier. And since now they're much thinner, I can put them in the holes to cover them. This way the frame will be completely covered. And now I'm going to make a support for our frame to be able to stand. For that, I'm going to use another stick, and I'm going to cut it off the top, because we need one of the sides to be straight. We're going to glue it back here. We put a lot of silicone and hold it until it is completely dry. This is very important. And that's it! Now it can stand. And now the most important thing is missing. We're going to put a photo. Since mine was a little bit smaller than my frame, I decided to put a piece of paper behind it. This photo of Gato Rainbow is great. Well, and before I show you the final result a little bit better, I remind you that you have a lot of resources that you can download from our website. As always, we're going to leave the link in the description box. And here you have it! It's really cool, isn't it? It's a very nice activity to make for Valentine's Day. I'm sure whoever you give it to will love it. And above all of this, it's a very fun activity to do with kids. We hope that you liked today's video. And next week, we will upload another Valentine's Day activity that we are sure you will love. In the meantime, here are some videos that you can watch on our channel. Bye!